First update for Réunion for Cyclone Dumazile, which has formed to the northwest off the coast of Madagascar. At 6 PM local time, March the 3rd, it had winds of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, and a pressure of 989 millibars. It's at 15.2 degrees south, 53.1 degrees east, and a cyclone pre-alert is in effect for the island of Réunion as the storm draws nearer. It's likely to pass just to the west of the island, but could deliver tropical storm force winds, as you'll see on this graphic marked in the green areas. You can see it affecting the island Sunday into Monday and possibly lingering into Tuesday as it moves off towards the southeast. It could be a very powerful cyclone out at sea. Obviously that would be argued against not to go out to sea, of course, and on land tropical storm conditions are certainly a distinct possibility for all locations on Réunion. Right now it's a stage 2 on the CDPS scale, meaning minor damage is on the potential, but I would say that's probably a little bit low, but that's because of the storm's fast movement at this time. The wind field is also expanding, and you can see it's also possibly affecting Madagascar with some of that wind field now, or will do very shortly indeed. Rainfall amounts could reach up to 200 millimeters and possibly higher than that in some parts of eastern Madagascar and for Réunion, and you'll see the rainfall building Sunday and Monday as the storm makes its closest approach. As said, tropical storm conditions will rise above half chance on Monday into Tuesday, and then the rainfall will drop away as well by the time we enter the midweek period, and the sky should be clearing by the end of Wednesday as we look for a quiet picture there on Thursday. So that's what we're looking at over the next 5 days as Dumazile moves past the area. Sea surface temperatures fairly warm, very warm actually, 28 or 29 degrees in the La Réunion area. Higher sea surface temperatures where the storm actually is right now, 30 degrees or so, and that's certainly going to go in Dumazile's favour. There it is right now on the wind shear graphic, the dark blue areas denoting very low amounts of wind shear, the higher areas to the south where the islands are, red areas there, those denote high amounts of wind shear. High wind shear kills storms, just so you know. So here is the satellite imagery, how the storm's been progressing throughout today, the visible imagery during the daylight hours today, showing the storm quite a broad system in all of its cloud coverage, but the centre area there still producing significant convection, and that's probably where we're going to get the part of the storm that will be most dangerous, and possibly an eye developing there within the next day or two if the models are to be believed, with its rapid intensification phase still yet to be realised. We'll have more updates on this storm tomorrow and throughout the storm's life. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker at your service at any time. You can also find our YouTube page, subscribe if you haven't already, Force 13 all in text. You can do the same on Facebook, like our page on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter, search Force 13 all in text. You can also add our Skype account and my personal account on Discord, it's Fool13 at extension 9094 for a tropical weather chat.